Alright, so I had to do a lot of trial and error. If you have something like this on the side of your house, this right here would be a good option. I'm doing some things around the house right now, and I definitely wanted to finally try these things out because it's summertime. You want to hang out little lanterns and things like that. Anywho, what you want to do is you want to find one that has the little gaps underneath of there like this. You don't want to find one that has no gaps. You know, they come sometimes in like a 3 section, as you see there. So what you want to do, find one with a little gap. You want to just take this part right here, slide it underneath of there. All you want is that much to be in the actual siding. Then you hold it down and yeah, look at that. It is really on there. So to test its strength, I have a bunch of little toys from my children's play set for outside. I'm going to hang it on there and look at that. It is holding it in place perfectly. And you can see it has not moved. It is still behind it. This is a genius product. I love this thing so much. So now you can decorate your outside of your home with this type of siding with ease.